Hi, I'm Kate. Today I will introduce to you how to recover deleted or lost data from iPhone, iPad, iPod. Next, let's show you the simple operation steps of this tool. Step 1. Download and install iData iPhone Data Recovery on your computer. Choose iPhone Data Recovery and select Recovery from iOS devices. Choose the first mode and connect your iPhone to computer with USB cable. Step 2. After the iPhone connected, please click the Start Second to scan your iPhone. When the Start Scanning finished, you can see all the data saved in your iPhone. Step 3. Choose the data you need to recover in the left list and click Recover button. That's all. It's that simple. You can be a data recovery master.